Good afternoon. I'm walking you around our 2008 Ford F350 Super Duty Turbo Diesel Power Stroke. It's a four-wheel drive, crew cab, long bed with a utility box, 68,000 miles, V8 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. This truck is like brand new. Tires are new, the body is new, the bed is new, the wheels, suspension. This truck has been very lightly used, all highway miles for 2 years. It's got spray-on bed liner, this rhino lining, Husky toolbox, which I am unable to open with one hand. Dual seats, this folds up, 6 seats. It's a manual transmission. Diesel truck, AC, radio, no issues. This truck is basically perfect. I'll take it for a spin around the block for you. Clutch is good, suspension is good, the truck runs perfect. There are no issues whatsoever. Now in third gear, fourth gear, and overdrive. I'm not going very fast, I'm just going around the neighborhood to show you that the truck drives and handles flawlessly. It looks flawless. This truck is dead new. Please feel free to call me. My name is Marcus. My number is 617-285-2966. Thank you.